Now we will see divisibility rules. What do you mean by divisible? Divisible means when a number is divided by another number, the remainder will be 0. You will get a remainder 0. That means it's completely divisible. The other word, the one which divided the other number, is a factor. So there are few rules, so you can easily find out whether the number is divisible by this or not. What are the rules? First one, number 2. To check if a number is divisible by 2, that means when you divide a number by 2, you should get a remainder 0. So to check that, one rule is it should be an even number. That means the unit digit should end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Without even dividing, we can tell. For example, 2, 3, 4, 9. Is it divisible by 2? No, because unit digit is not even number. 5, 9, 8, 6, 2. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, because it's a even number. Let's go to 3. The rule to find out if a given number is divisible by 3 is you need to sum all the digits given, and that answer should be divisible by 3. Let's go for an example. 3, 1, 4, 2, 5. It's big number where we don't know whether if we divide it by 3, we'll get the remainder 0. But this, let's follow the rule and check. 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. If you're not still confident, see 15 comes in 3 tables. So when I divide this by 3, I'll get a remainder 0. Still, if you're not confident, what you should do? Add this also. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 come in 3 tables. So this will be divisible by 3. You can check it in the, you can divide and check, you will be able to understand. To check if a number is divisible by 4, we need to check if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4. Then the whole number will be divisible by 4. For example, 3, 9, 2, 8, 6, 4. How to check this? Take 64 divided by 4. Last 2 digit is divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. Another example, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 1, 5. Is it divisible by 4? Does 15 come under 4 table? No. So, one clue is no odd number. If it's an odd number, definitely like 2, it will not be divisible by 4. Let's go to 5. The rule of 5 is very simple. The unit digit should be either 5 or 0. 550. Yes, because it's the unit digit is 0. 198642. Is it divisible by 5? No. 39685. Is it divisible by 5? Yes. Let's go to divisibility rule of 6. The rule of 6 is the given number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. That means, let's see one example. 1892. Let us check for whether it is divisible by 2. What is the rule for divisibility of 2? It should be an even number. So, it's divisible by 2. Rule of 3 is 1 plus 8 plus 9 plus 2. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 2, 20. Is 20 divisible by 3, that means does it come in 3 tables? No. That means for 3 the rule doesn't apply. So it is not divisible by 6. One more example, 3, 8, 3, 4. To check if it is divisible by 3, is it an even number? Yes. Does it go by 3, 11, 14, 18? Does 18 come under 3 table? Yes. So both. That means it is divisible by 6 also. Let's now see for 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7. 7's rule is, if we multiply the unit digit by 2 and subtract it from the remaining digits, that answer should be divisible by 7. For example, let's take 532. So what should we do? 53 minus 2 into 2. So this I am multiplying with 2 and subtracting from the rest of the digits. So 53 minus 4 will be 49. 49 is divisible by 7. So 532 also will be divisible by 7. One more, 2996. What should we do? 299 minus 6 into 2. 299 minus 12. 287. Still 287. We are not sure whether it is divisible by 7. So again we will do the same rule. 28 minus 14, which is 7 into 2, which will be 14. 14 is divisible by 7. So 2996 also is divisible by 7. Now let's check the divisibility rule of 8. Like 4 has last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Here last 3 should be divisible by 8. Let's take an example. 19640. 3 digits. 640. When we check, 8 8s are 64, 0 0. So it's 640. So this number is divisible by 8. Let's check this example. 26892. Let's take 892 and check if it is divisible by 8. Those are 8. So it doesn't go by, it is 12. The remainder is 12. So again 8 ones are 8. Now let's go to the rule of 9. Like 3, sum of digits should be divisible by 9. And one thing is, the numbers which are divisible by 9 are divisible by 3 also. But the numbers that are divisible by 3 need not be divisible by 9. So let's go for an example. 2, 3, 8, 4, 6. So 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 is 10, 20, 23. 23 doesn't go by 9. So this is not divisible. 5, 4, 4, 5. So 5 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5. 9 plus 9, 18. That means S. This entire 5, 4, 4, 5 is divisible by 9. Divisibility of 10 is very simple. The unit digit should be 0. If it is 0, the entire number is divisible by 10. So 148650. Yes. But 298655. No. For 5, divisibility 5, both will be S. But for divisibility 10, only this is yes and this is no. Now last, let's check the divisibility rule of 11. a number is given, there will be odd digits and even digit. That means the place. The difference between the sum of those should be divisible by 11. Let's check how. 50529. This is 1, 2, 3 for example. So it's like alternate. This you should add. 5 plus 9, and this you should add. 0 plus 2. This 2 we should subtract. Add this 2 the result we should add and subtract. This is 19 and 2. 17. Is 17 divisible by 11? No. So the entire number will not be divisible by 11. Same way, if I just interchange the digits, 50259. So it's like 5 plus 2 plus 9 will be 7 plus 9, 16. Then 0 plus 5 is 5. Subtract 11. 11 is divisible by 11. So this number is divisible by 11. We have 3 examples and check all the divisibility rules as a summary. 18960. It's an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 18960. So 1 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 0. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 6, 24. So it is divisible by 3. 4. 60 is divisible by 4. So it is divisible. 5. Unit digit is divisible by, unit digit is 0. So tick. 6. Both 2 and 3 have ticks. So this is also divisible. 7. 18960. So 1896 minus 0 into 2, 0. So I get 1896. Now I don't know still whether it is divisible. So what I'll do, 189 and 6 is converted as 12. So 189 minus 12 is 177. So 177 minus 14. 7 is converted as 14. It's 3. So it is not divisible by 7. 8. We have to check if 960 is divisible by 8. Out of entire number, last 3 digits we are taking. So 960 means 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 60 and 0. So 4 also tick. 1 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 0. So 9 plus 9, 18 plus 6, 24. 24 is not divisible by 9. So it is not. For 10, unit digit is 0. So yes. And for 11, 1 plus 9 plus 0 is 10. And 1 plus 9 plus 0, the alternate digits, and 8 plus 6 is 14. So 14 minus 10, 4, so it is not divisible by 11. Let's check the second example. If this comes as 0 or a multiple of 7, yes, it is divisible by 7. It should be even 0 even for 11. If 0 comes or multiple of 7 or 11 comes, it is divisible by that particular number. 8, 976. Okay, the last example. Okay, so is 29579 an even number?
No.
Okay. What is the sum of 29579?
32.
Is it divisible by 3?
No.
Is last two digit divisible by 4?
No.
What is the rule for 5?
It should be ending with 5 or 0.
So is it there?
No.
Okay. What is the rule for 6?
The 2 and 3 divisibility should be tick. So it's not tick. So it's not.
Okay. What is the rule for 7? The last digit should be doubled and subtracted. So 2957 minus 18.
7 minus 18.
That means that last digit 9 is multiplied by 2. So it's there. What is the answer for that? 2939. When you subtract, it will become 2939. Now again we don't know whether it is divisible. So what is the last digit? 9.
9.
So 293 minus
18.
Yeah. What would be the answer?
275.
Yeah. Now what should we do? 27 minus?
27 minus 10.
Yeah.
Which is 17.
Yeah. Is 17 divisible by 7?
No.
Yeah. So it's cross. In the given number 29579, is the last 3 digit divisible by 8, which is 579 is divisible by 8?
No.
No. Because it's not an even number first of all. 4, 8 and all will have even numbers only, and 579 will also be not divisible by 8. Then for rule number 9, what is the rule?
It's the same rule as 3.
Sum of digits should be divisible by
9.
So what is the sum?
11, 16, 16 plus 7 is 23 plus 9 is 32.
32 is divisible by 9.
No.
So cross. 10 rule is?
It should be ending with 0. It's
So
not.
29579 is ending with 0?
No.
No. So what is the rule for 11? The difference between the sum of the odd digits and the even digits should be 0 or 11. Okay. So now add 2, 5, 9. 2 plus 5 plus 9 is what?
It's 16.
Yeah, right?
16.
Yeah. And what is the even digit? 9 plus 7.
9 plus 7 is 16.
So 16 minus 16?
0.
So it is divisible.
Divisible.
Yeah. Hope you all understood. Thank you.